I was recently alerted to this massive log laying in the woods about an hour from my house, and for a small operation like we have, this thing is massive. In all, there's about 40 feet of usable material here, and just sitting here, it doesn't look that big, but when my brother and I went to go pull out a section, it took us most of the day just to get the smallest of these logs. Part of the issue is none of the equipment that we have is suited to pull logs up a hill like this, and technically the capacity of my trailer is only 1,200 pounds anyway, and this log came in at well over 2,000 pounds. Once we had all the small stuff out of the way, we could start yarding the first of the big logs up the hill. We quickly figured out that we weren't going to be able to pull it up without doing some sort of complicated rigging, but eventually we did get this thing to the top of the hill. Keep in mind this trailer is homemade and we're using a wooden arch to lift this 2,000 pound log. It took us a while, but once we got this thing out of the trailer, we were ecstatic. At this point, night was coming on fast and we had to get this thing home. And right about here was when I realized exactly how heavy this log was. Because of some miscalculations on my part, I thought this log was going to be about 1,000 pounds, but it ended up being more than double that.